started right when I walked out. I just saw the water coming down.
Holy shit, this is right outside our house. It's like a water main broke. Wow, it's all the way up to Testos, past Testos.
Yeah, it's coming from up by like Bridge Street. Looks like.
Wow, this is fucking, excuse my language, but holy shit. I gotta check my basement. Whoa!
Hey, get back. Jerky.
Why are people driving through this? Are they that stupid?
Yes, they are, because if they, on a smaller car, if they get stopped by the water, fills into their car's done.
Yep.
It's done.
It's like, are they really that freaking...
Right up here by the oldies district? Right up by there, I guess. A man right up here said they were there. I'm gonna follow it. See if I can see where it broke open. It's raging. Looks like it's coming up past Testos. Looks like it turns here at 4th. Whoa, it's all the way up on the street. There it is. Holy shit, you see that? That looks like where it is. Yeah, I know it. Jesus, I come down that way a lot. I can't even. Wow. That looks like where it's at. See it up there? Wow. Yes, they are, because if they, on a smaller car, if they get stopped by the water, fills into their car, it's done. Yep. It's done. This is crazy. A gentleman told me that back where I showed you, yeah, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Keep it coming. Don't stop. You ain't getting through if you do. Whoa! The sidewalk's starting to overflow. Here come the fire trucks. This is just, it's incredible. A gentleman told me that up where I had showed you, back up here, they were there working on it this morning and it was a trickle. That right there. And it was a trickle. And then they left. All I can say is, I guess that's the way they treat people that live down here in the Berg. Woo, there's Jetta and Stan. Hey, I guess the guy up there, the guy right there told me that they were there at 6 o'clock this morning working on it. And there was a slight trickle. And he goes, and then they left. And this is what's happened. I said, I guess this will happen when you live in the Berg. This is the way they treat you.
Where were they working on?
Right, didn't you see the where it was bubbling up? Right there.
Oh, okay. Right there around the corner?
Yeah. Fire trucks are there now.
Are they?
Yeah. But I guess when you live in the Berg, that's how they treat you. People stranded. Oh no! Yeah, I hope so. Oh my God. Don't stop. They came from way down there. They were up almost to the top of their wheels. Don't stop. Why you didn't go down 2 or 3 blocks? I don't know about people, man. You're down a block and you're free of water. Wow, check it out. It's fucking crazy. It isn't coming in the cellar yet. I went back down and checked again. Dude! Dude, that road is gonna collapse. Hope I get it on film.
Trying to warn people. Well, you guys.
If one goes down, it's not gonna be a Jeep.
I just saw a big chunk of the road like flip up. Did anybody else see that?
Yeah.
Look at these guys are just like, don't do it, don't do it. Yeah, go, get it. Don't do it. Watch it, people. That's the smart thing to do. They're not going to be good for a while either.
If you're gonna go through it, don't stop.
Baby's got more bricks. He's building it. He's building a dam.
I mean, that's okay for that truck, I guess, but small car, if you're gonna go through there, don't stop.
Don't stop. You keep going, man. You can't hesitate once you go.
People are just pulling up to it, stopping, aren't doing any good.
I know, I'd rather go.
Is that a little old lady? Please, little old lady, don't do it.
I'd rather go faster, man.
I can't tell if that's a little old lady or a teenager wearing like a thing on her head.
It's hard to tell, but
There's the fire trucks. I feel safe already. Fucking 3 hours later.
Oh shit!
Jesus Christ.
Right.
Oh yeah, here we go. Want me to move my car?
he's blocking the road.
Yeah, he's blocking it.
What are they doing?
they're blocking the
Entire what, baby? Yeah. Yeah, that curb is floating away.
Where?
Is it ours or did it come down?
I don't see it.
See that ridge? The ridge.
Oh. Yeah, it is.
That's the ground coming up. That's the ground coming up.
Yeah, you're right, it is. Holy shit. You have to see it.
The ground is lifting up.
Here, you can see it. Big time.
I might have to go in. I'm in the house. I'm not going in there.
What's going on?
See the ground?
Yeah.
That's not where the curb is. So the ground is like the curb is.
Yeah, the curb is back here and goes out to the pole. This is not the curb.
What's this guy gonna do with that then? That's a hell of a tool. You guys don't run.
It's getting ready to collapse.
What's this? You still have to the fireman has this curb thing.
It's probably to raise the manhole.
Oh, see that hand little thing? That looks like that would be.
There's one of
That for the zombie.
there's one of Troy's finest.
I don't know what that.
Yeah. That worked.
On the job. Don't mind the screen, but there's the ground coming up. Nice, huh? Sorry, I'm eating too. My man over here is building a wall. I'm not raising the screen. Got the fire truck out here. Fire truck, rescue squad. All right. Fucking we're on our own down here. Can't drink the water, of course.